The OFD extension identifies an open fixed layout document containing standardized fixed layout electronic documents following the Chinese national standard. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open, view, or convert these electronic document files. My experience tells me that some OFD files require a professional bypass technique. I'll walk you through that secret method once the standard troubleshooting is complete. OFD files are electronic documents following China's GBT 33190-2016 Open Fixed Layout Document Standard. They contain page-accurate document content with precise text positioning vector graphics and embedded fonts designed as a PDF alternative for Chinese government and enterprise use. OFD files use an XML-based package format within a zip container, storing page content as vector drawing commands, font resources, image assets, and digital signature data. They follow a strict specification for government document exchange and long-term archival. For direct reading of OFD content, the best choice is WPS Office developed by Kingsoft. Native Windows association often leads to errors due to the file's complexity and proprietary format. Windows provides minimal formatting support, so detailed editing must be done with specialized tools. Let's check the compatibility pool. Right-click the OFD file and choose Open With. If WPS Office is on your system, that is your primary test. If that fails, move to the next app. A bit of persistence pays off. If your OFD file is not opening yet, that is normal. The OFD file is more stubborn than we thought. We're moving into the next phase with the 3 essential steps to unlock it. First, opening the document. Use Foxit, OFD Reader, or Suwell OFD Reader applications to open OFD files with full rendering support. Several Chinese software vendors provide free OFD viewers. On mobile devices, install an OFD Reader app from your device's App Store for document viewing. Next, converting to PDF. Use OFD to PDF conversion tools available from Chinese software vendors or online conversion services. The conversion preserves page layout, text positioning, and graphics fidelity. Some OFD readers include built-in PDF export functionality for cross-format sharing. Finally, digital signatures. OFD files support embedded digital signatures, following Chinese electronic signature standards. Use certified OFD signing tools to apply digital signatures for government document submission. Verify existing signatures using the OFD Reader's built-in signature validation feature. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. Finally, the problem might be deep-seated. Your most efficient path to success now is using a high-powered universal viewer like FileMagick. This software is available at filemagick.com. I appreciate you sticking around for the full guide. A quick like and subscribe helps me produce more content like this.